Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I love all things DIY, thrift flipping, and home decor. Today we're transforming thrifted finds into beautiful spring decor. The first piece that I picked up was this cute little flower candle holder. I picked this one up a while ago and looking at it now was a little surprised that I spent $5 on it until I opened the back and realized the batteries inside of this were brand new, still in packaging, and this had never been used. So in the end I was pretty happy with this purchase, and it makes a cute little cozy accent piece to add to my decor. Next, I got this pretty little basket. I really like the scallop detail on the top edges of this basket, and I like the color and the shape of this basket as well. But it was missing one handle. At first I thought about leaving the single handle attached to it, but in the end decided to take it off to make it uniform the whole way around. Next, I picked up this metal ceiling tin. I didn't need to do anything to this piece. I had considered painting it, but I was planning on hanging it in my kitchen, and the silver color of it went with a lot of the other things in my kitchen. So I decided to leave it as is. I simply just took a command strip and stuck it to the back of this tin and hung it above my stove. Next, I have this simple black picture frame that I wanted to distress and change the color of. I first started by painting it in gold and then took a crumpled up piece of paper and scuffed up the edges a bit before the paint dried to give it more of an aged antique feel. Then after that dried, I also took some brown antiquing wax and dabbed it on to also add to that aged feel and blend in some of the scuff marks that I had already made. Then I went through my little stash of printed out royalty-free art and picked one with a nice springy look to it and cut it to size and placed it inside the picture frame. And there you have it, some easy, affordable thrift flips to freshen up your home for spring. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite flip. And if you love budget-friendly DIYs, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!